second largest falcons we have in the world. They're second in dive speed, only superseded by the peregrine falcons. In 2020, there was a female peregrine falcon, clocked at 427 kilometers an hour in the dive. That's 302 miles an hour. Yeah, my wife's fast, but I've seen it. What was that? Oh, good shot, Lashka. Yeah, she missed the heater. Perfect. Well done. So, what is it about Sacred Falcons? We've heard of carrier pigeons delivering messages. That was before that. That goes back probably 500 to 1,000 years. So those birds are native to Mongolia, Kazakhstan, central parts of Asia. So somebody figured out if I could train a bird like that, and we watch migration.